Hard floor cleaners have evolved from simple mop and bucket solutions to multifunctional machines that vacuum, scrub, wash, and sanitize in one pass. For sealed hard floors like tile, laminate, and sealed hardwood, the right cleaner can cut cleaning time, reduce water usage, and minimize streaking or residue. In this comparison,
Product number 1. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner with washable mop pads for sealed hard floors. The SpinWave 20393 is a dedicated corded spin mop that emphasizes hands-off scrubbing with 100% machine-powered scrubbing pads. It targets sealed hard floors with a press of the on-demand spray to dispense Bissell formula directly where needed. Weighing around 14 pounds and featuring a swivel head, it's designed for tight corners and under furniture, with 6 washable microfiber pads included for 6 complete sessions. Proximity controls and simple mechanics aim to minimize bending and fatigue, making a budget-friendly entry point for routine maintenance cleaning on sealed surfaces. Performance-wise, the SpinWave excels at moderate messes and sticky spills when paired with Bissell cleaning formulas. The corded design ensures consistent power for the scrubbing action, though scrubbing intensity is fixed, so heavy encrusted stains may require additional pass or pre-treatment. With 6 washable pads and targeted spray, it offers predictable results and straightforward maintenance, but its lack of damp-dry selector means you rely on pad absorption for moisture control, which can contribute to longer dry times on very absorbent floor types. Ideal for budget-conscious households that prioritize scrubbing power and easy targeting of spills without a vacuum function.
Product number 2. Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop All-in-One Wet. The Crosswave Turbo is a corded all-in-one wet-dry vac that vacuums and mops simultaneously across multiple surfaces. It features 2-tank technology to separate clean water from dirty, an antimicrobial fresh start filter, and multi-surface compatibility from tile to area rugs. Its 11-pound footprint makes it relatively portable, and it's designed to streamline cleaning sessions by combining suction and washing in one pass. Performance-wise, Crosswave Turbo shines on mixed floor environments where you want to minimize trips. The dual-tank system helps maintain cleaning efficiency, and the included multi-target solution is formulated to reduce odors and residue. However, its wet-dry combination can require more careful handling to avoid over-wetting grout lines or uneven drying on porous surfaces. It's best for households that frequently encounter spills, pet messes, and combined floor types, and who value a single-tool solution over a traditional mop and bucket setup. Product number 3. Hoover FloorMate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. The Hoover FloorMate Deluxe emphasizes a dedicated wash and dry mode, using spin scrub brushes to scrub floors while removing excess water. Its dual-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, and it includes a trial cleaning solution to kick off initial use. The unit is a corded, heavier-feeling machine with a taller profile, designed to scrub and extract simultaneously, aiming to reduce drying times on sealed floors. Performance-wise, the spin scrub brushes deliver thorough scrubbing on sealed hardwood, vinyl, tile, and laminate, particularly where grout lines or textured surfaces require more agitation. The wash and dry modes provide a balanced approach to cleaning and moisture control, but the overall weight, over 13 pounds, can impose fatigue during extended sessions or in multi-room cleans. It's best suited for homes that prioritize a dedicated scrubbing action with quick extraction and who don't mind a larger corded cleaner.
Product number 4. Bissell Crosswave OmniForce Cordless Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner. The Crosswave OmniForce is a cordless multi-surface mopping and vacuuming tool designed for dry and wet messes with a cordless form factor. It features a self-cleaning brush roll, a dedicated dry vacuum mode, and a 30-minute runtime. It emphasizes tangle-free brush operation and a quick dry capability, making it a strong candidate for daily maintenance without hunt and chase charging requirements. Performance-wise, OmniForce handles mixed messes on sealed floors with the ability to switch between wet mopping and dry vacuum modes, which is convenient for quick touch-ups and high-traffic areas.
The self-cleaning cycle reduces maintenance hassles, though occasional pad replacement and brush maintenance remain necessary for optimal results. Its cordless design is excellent for navigating mid-sized homes, but battery life may be less forgiving in larger spaces or heavier cleaning tasks. Product number 5. Shark Steam Pickup Lightweight 3-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner Picks Up Debris. The Shark SD201 Steam Pickup is a corded steam mop that combines debris pickup, deep scrubbing, and steam sanitization in one pass. It claims to sanitize sealed hard floors with 99.9% bacteria reduction when used per directions, and includes an antimicrobial brush roll plus a quick empty tray for mess disposal. Its steam-centric design targets floor sanitization and simplified maintenance without chemicals. Performance-wise, the SD201 excels in sanitation and quick cleanups, especially on sealed surfaces where steam can loosen grime before picking up debris. The 1230-watt heater provides robust steam power, and the self-contained debris tray helps manage wet and dry debris separately. However, steam mops inherently rely on boiling water and surface contact time for sanitization, which may require longer pass times on very stubborn stains. It's best for households prioritizing chemical-free sanitization and fast floor-only maintenance, especially in kitchens and bathrooms.